Dispatch, I pulled over a stolen car, license plate 989RXX. Get out of your car, sir! Turn off your engine! I said get out of your car, sir! Hey, what are you doing? Stay in your car! Stay in your car!
Officer, what happened here?
Look, detective. A Chinese man in his 30s was just killed by a police officer named Jim Horton.
Do we know the identity of the victim?
Yes, his name is Alfred Ho. He's a father of two in his 30s, and we know that he died from excessive blood loss from gunshot wounds both to the chest and head.
Head and chest? Something's not right. Whoever shot him really wanted him dead.
It sure seems that way, because standard police procedure says that they cannot shoot anyone unless they feel very threatened.
Surely either shot could have seriously disabled or maimed him. Or, as in this case, killed him. But what was this guy doing outside of his car during a pullover anyway?
Well, we don't know, but the final position of his body indicates that he was trying to pull something out of his jacket pocket.
Like a wallet, maybe?
Well, that's exactly what we found. But the police officer certainly didn't think that it was just a wallet.
Right. Mr. Ho must have been trying to get out his ID, but the police officer felt threatened if he wasn't obeying his instructions and shot him anyways.
It's true. The police officer right now is in his cruiser, but he seems too unstable to give us any testimony. I don't think he can cooperate with us right now.
The aforementioned Jim Horton?
Yes.
Alright, is there any other evidence available?
Well, I just checked that there's a CCTV over there by Panagu, and there's also an eyewitness, a pizza delivery boy that was just riding by when the scene happened.
Okay, get me the surveillance camera evidence on the table by tomorrow, and I want to see this delivered.
Yes, I'll be on it.
Your Honor, I am applying for a search warrant for Jim Horton's police records. We have reasonable grounds to believe that he was not mentally fit at the time of the crime.
I see. Granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Here's a search warrant for Jim Horton's police records. We want to find out everything about this guy. His family, friends, education, anything that can help us in court. I don't want any surprises.
Okay, got it. But Horton's our guy, right? He's our client?
Yes, but he's also a police officer. Everyone in this business has some sort of skeleton hiding in his closet. I don't want his past to catch up on us and not any surprises.
Got it. Understood. This is it? This is where Alfred bought his car?
Yep.
Looks like my garage.
Police, open up!
Go away! We're not open till 7 a.m. The weed stink is from the hippies 2 doors down.
I am Detective Holmes, and this is my partner.
Crown lawyer Stephen King, we are here investigating the Horton case. Do you know this man?
Oh man, no. Is little Al dead?
Well, the police pulled him over originally for driving a car that was stolen on the watch list.
Hey, what you trying to say, bro?
Nothing, just that Steele's Wheels is a very subtle name.
Look, dude, chill. We've got a search warrant here, and we've got the right to look through your dealership records.
I suppose I gotta let you in. Here's a customer record.
This is just scribbles on a piece of paper. Look at it.
Look, Alfred brought the car. He doesn't know anything about it.
I just wanted to let you know, whatever funny evidence we find around here about your dealership records, we can't use that against him in court, as much as we'd like to. This is just purely for the Horton Alfred case. So we know that you're running a major theft operation here against government protocol probably. And you're faking documents, faking licenses, and you're selling them for pure profit, but it's fine. As much as we'd like to, we can't do anything about it.
Okay.
You know you can't lie to a court, right? If you're scared, we can set up witness protection.
I'm not sure.
Before we continue to draw names out of this pool, if any of you have any reason why you cannot be a potential juror, please stand and rise your case.
I am related to the accused in this trial, Your Honor.
I volunteer distribute!
Ma'am, please sit back down. Jury selection does not proceed this way. Now, if there's no other reasons why you cannot be a potential juror, we shall proceed.
Hello and thank you for coming, prospective jurors. I will now begin to pull 12 names out of the draw, and if your name is called, please answer here. Then come forward to where the sheriff designates you. Mr. Hernandez Cuevas.
Challenge.
For what reason?
For the reason that during her response, she had a language barrier.
Mr. Hernandez, please sit back down.
Mr. White, Gary.
Content.
Content.
Next, Regina versus Horton, charged with first-degree murder with 2 shots to the body on the victim. Defendant, what is your plea?
Your Honor, I plead guilty to a lesser charge.
On what grounds?
On reasonable grounds that my client here acted on impulse. Therefore, we would like to plead guilty to a lesser charge of manslaughter.
I see. Granted. Next,
Do you really think that was an act of impulse?
That's for me to know and for you not to find out. After all, if there were no bad people, there'd be no good lawyers.